y'all can help me, it's okay. I'm gonna go to my cousin's house. So I just wanted to find something to take my mom for losing my mom. I was trying to get close to my mom, and I wasn't. I blame myself. This is an emergency broadcast. I miss my mom.
Message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Aviation Administration. An unidentified aircraft has been located.
Please, somebody, have sympathy. I was trying to get close to my mom. All I was looking for is somebody donate for me to come out there so I could work hard and long hours. Because I care about what I want to do.